mama, I made it. Yeah, Lobo, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa.
What'd you want for Christmas?
I wanted an Xbox, a PlayStation, and a Nintendo 3DS.
What'd you get?
I got clothes. I don't like clothes. That's an old people gift. But I did get a jacket, cause baby call like Minnesota, call like Minnesota.
It's not Christmas anymore.
By 2016, how's 2017? I hope I do get what I wanted for Christmas next year, and I hope that Trump will be a good president, and I hope my record shows. So I hope y'all subscribe to Tequila channel, and I hope y'all give this video a thumbs up, and leave your final thoughts down below in the comment section, and go buy my new album, Lobo the Trash, and yeah, Lobo.